Have you ever heard of a baby who could speak? Not just babble, but actually talk and defend the truth? Long, long ago, there lived a blessed woman named Maryam. Allah chose her for something truly miraculous. One day, she gave birth to a special baby under a palm tree. His name was Isa, and he was a prophet of Allah. But when Maryam returned to her people carrying baby Isa, they were shocked. They began to accuse her of doing something wrong. "How can you have a baby?" they asked. Maryam didn't say a word. Instead, she simply pointed to the baby in her arms. The people were confused. "How can we talk to a baby in a cradle?" they said. But then, something amazing happened. Baby Isa opened his mouth and spoke with the permission of Allah. He said, "I am a servant of Allah. He has given me the scripture and made me a prophet. He has blessed me wherever I am and commanded me to pray and give charity as long as I live." The people were absolutely amazed. A tiny baby speaking such wise words. This was a miracle from Allah to show everyone that Maryam was truthful and that Isa was a special messenger. This miracle teaches us that Allah can do anything. He protects those who are truthful and innocent. And He sends us prophets to guide us to what is right.